This is the Strich piano bench. It's adjustable. It's got these knobs on both sides, and check it out, it's got storage as well. This is about total between the depth here and the depth here. You could fit two inches or so of thickness of books in there. So I like that it's got that. Strich did send this over to me for free to check out, but they're not paying me for this review. These are like my own opinions, man. And I am grateful for them to send this to me because I needed a new piano bench. What came with this piano, great though it was not a super comfortable bench and no adjustments to be had at all. So I like the adjustments. So far, sitting on this thing is comfortable. So it's a firm but cushioned seat. You can get a little bit closer look at the material. This is the white version. They make a black version too. It's this pseudo leather, fake leather type of feel, vinyl feeling deal, but it's not squeaky or anything so far. And it does have a good bit of give to it, which I've appreciated. And my son has too. He's been practicing on this so far as well when he's down here in the office. And what can you say about this? It's just a solid, I would say, entry-level bench. If you're going up above whatever has come with your piano, this is kind of what you're going to start looking at, something like this. The fact that it includes storage was a big plus and really something I was looking for my son's stuff, so it's not just thrown all over the room and on the piano itself. The adjustments are very slow, so you really just got to crank this for a long time. We took it all the way up and it measured 22 inches from the ground to the top, but it took a while to get there. So hopefully you're not going to be adjusting this up and down incredible amounts all the time, because it is time consuming to do so because you can fine tune it so well. Here's what the mechanism looks like on the underside. You got this long, huge bolt that is attached to the adjustment knobs on either side, and then two independent levers that just basically fold up and down attached to here. This frame is wood. The legs come separately. You assemble, all the assembly is putting the legs on, and they are wood as well. You put the bolts through these brackets, which are very secure. I was very pleased with that. You put together a lot of things these days and they're not super secure and they start wobbling after a while. I feel pretty confident in this one. It's got a washer and a little adjustment, whatever that small washer is, two little things that go on there before the nut. There's probably an actual name for that. And yeah, we ratcheted it down and it is super sturdy. Now, if you're putting this on hardwood, there are some feet that come that you can stick some adhesive pad to this that are cut for this size of the leg itself, or you can just grab some of your own if those wear out over time. I've got mine on carpet here, so it's just straight up on the wood feet, and I've been happy with this. So thanks again, Strich, for sending it over. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.